morning, children. Today, my topic is this and that. Okay. Now, this means it is very near, closer. That means it is very far. Okay. This means near. That means far. Now, let us see. Where is the apple? Is it near or far? Near. Near means what we should write? This. This is an apple. Next. Dash is a dog. Where is a dog? Is it far or near? Far. Far means what we should write? This or that? That. That is a dog. Is it? Now next. Dash is a cat. This or that? This is a cat. Dash is a doll. That is a doll. Dash is a hat. This is a hat. Dash is a bag. That is a bag. Now let us see. Everything we read. This is an apple. That is a dog. This is a cat. That is a doll. This is a hat. That is a bag. Thank you.